next parameter that we are going to consider is input resistance. Input resistance, input resistance, input resistance with feedback. Input resistance with feedback. Input resistance of the op amp. Input resistance of the op amp. Input resistance of the op amp with feedback. Input resistance. Now we have seen closed loop voltage gain of the op amp with feedback for practical op amp, whereas for ideal op amp. Now we will see the input resistance with feedback. So this is it. We have replaced the op amp with the equivalent circuit of a practical op amp. So inside the dashes we have replaced the op amp with its practical equivalent circuit. We have replaced the op amp with its practical equivalent circuit. So this is we will use for finding the input resistance. This we will use. Just a minute.
Yeah.
So note down the diagram. So the same network. So in place of op amp, we have replaced it with its practical equivalent circuit. We have replaced with equivalent circuit. Equivalent circuit. Right. Now we will find the input resistance of the op amp with feedback. Input resistance of the op amp with feedback. Input resistance of the op amp with feedback. So here, what is RIF? RIF is the input resistance. Input resistance with feedback. Input resistance with feedback. So where RA is for the op amp, ideal op amp. So input resistance without feedback. Input resistance without feedback. So in short, I am writing FB, input resistance without feedback. So RAF, how it is defined? RAF, it is nothing but input voltage, right? With feedback or with respect to the input voltage. So RAF is nothing but V in, and the input current that is flowing due to this input voltage is nothing but the input current IN. So RAF is nothing but the ratio between VIN to IIN. VIN to the IIN, I suffix input voltage and input current, right? Now, so the expression for IIN, we can write it as, right? So the same current is flowing through this resistance also, right? So the same current, we observe, the same current is flowing through this resistance RI also. So what is the voltage across this resistor? It is the VID. Voltage across the RA resistance is nothing but VID. So we can write the IN, the input current expression as VID by RA. VID by RA, right? So now RAF, we can write it as VIN by VID by RA, right? So IIN, we can write it as VID, differential input voltage, by the input resistance of the op amp without feedback, right? So this will be, so this RA will goes to numerator. So VIN by VID VID. So now we will relate VIN and VID. VIN and VID. So what is VID? Or V naught? We know V naught is equal to A times VID, right? V naught, the output voltage, is nothing but open loop voltage gain into VID. So from this, what is VID? VID is nothing but V naught by A, right? V naught by A. Next, what about the relationship between V naught and Vin? So we have just now derived the closed loop voltage gain. So AF is nothing but V naught by Vin, right? So AF closed loop voltage gain just now we have derived. It is nothing but the ratio of output voltage by input voltage. So what is this? A by 1 plus A beta, right? So V naught by V in is nothing but A by 1 plus A beta, and from this VID is equal to V naught by A. So from this we can get the expression for V in, right? So from this, what is V in? V in is nothing but you take this into numerator V naught into 1 plus A beta by A. So from the closed loop gain expression, V naught by Vn is equal to A by 1 plus A beta. So from this Vn is nothing but V naught into 1 plus A beta by A. So from the open loop voltage gain, VID is nothing but V naught by A. So simply substitute in place of Vn this expression, in place of VID this expression. We will get the input resistance with feedback. So Vin is nothing but V naught into 1 plus A beta, right, by A. And what is VID? VID is nothing but V naught by A. So V naught by A. So A will get cancelled and V naught will get cancelled, right? So RIF, what is the expression for RIF? RIF is nothing but RI into 1 plus A beta. 1 plus A beta. So this is the expression of the input resistance of the op amp, input resistance of the op amp with feedback. You see, closed loop gain. So this is the expression of the closed loop gain, right? This is the expression of the closed loop gain. Closed loop gain when compared to open loop gain, so this is the open loop gain, is decreased by a factor of 1 plus A beta. So whereas input resistance is increased. So this RA is nothing but the open loop resistance or the resistance without feedback. So that is increased by a factor of 1 plus A beta. So gain is decreased by a factor of 1 plus A beta, whereas input resistance is increased. So for an voltage amplifier, we need the as high as much higher resistance is required. Higher resistance is required, right? Now,
If you like the video, please share, like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to get latest video updates.